Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the Aurum AI for both MT4 and MT5. This is an expert advisor. It's a gold trading robot on XAUUSD for the 5-minute time frame, and it's getting a lot of buzz on the MQ5 community. We have 4.84 rating out of 5 stars, and seller positions it as a clean trend following system with strict risk rules and no dangerous methods. But is it true? Is it worth it? Let's see what this expert advisor is really about. But before we dive into the expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns which you should check out. It's totally worth it. It's free, and you can get it using the link in the description below, so ensure you get it. And talking about the Aurum AI MT5, it's developed by Leonid Akipov, and it goes for just $399 US, and I don't think you can rent it. The developer doesn't give any renting options, so you actually have to buy it from him. And from the developer, he says it's built around trading only in the direction of the prevailing trend on gold, and there's no counter trading, no counter trend entries actually, and there's no guessing reversals. It follows a one signal one trade rule, so it doesn't pile on positions like greeds, and every trade comes with a fixed take profit and stop loss level. They recently updated it with extra signal filters for better accuracy and a solid news filter pulled from Forex Factory. They also have a live signal which was launched on April 14, 2026, and this is it. It's been growing since April to this is May, and we have 21% growth. We're looking at it. The live signal actually runs on IC markets with 1:1000 leverage, and it shows 21% growth since April 2026. We are having 100% win rate on the handful of trades which have been taken, 5 trades only. And about this, the developer says it doesn't pile up trades, so that's what is expected to be. It doesn't open positions like greed, so it just opens one position and then the other and then the other. Max drawdown is just 5.9%, and we have a super low trading activity around 0.3%. Average hold time is only 13 minutes. As you can see, they highlight it's been profitable in real conditions for over a year. It works on any reliable broker and is prop firm friendly, but you should be mindful of the max drawdown. The max drawdown on the live signal is already going at 5.9%, so you should be very watchful of that. If you're trading on the prop firm and the daily drawdown max drawdown is 5%, you should be watchful so that you don't end up blowing your account for that day and breaching the rules. And that's it from their live signals. It has a smooth equity curve, high sharp ratio, and they throw in a bonus fractal here. On paper, it looks like a steady and professional gold robot a lot of traders have been searching for. For their features and their settings, I'll say the setup looks straightforward. Just attach it to XAUUSD on the 5-minute time frame. You just pick a lot size. You can pick auto lot or fixed size, and you enable the news filter, and you're good to go. The marketing highlights the news pause 60 minutes before and after events. Max spread protection. We have the lot increase multiplier for recovery after losses, and we also have full money management options. They say it runs on as little as $100, and premium panel gives you nice visual control. This is how it looks. This is how the panel looks. Constant updates and protection systems are big selling points too. And this is all from the developer about the Aurum AI for MT4 and MT5. And they also have their backtest. They also have, this is actually the live signal, and this is their backtest. You can see the numbers. They have about, their win rate is about 100% here, also out of 537 trades. So you should know that this is a very selective expert advisor. It doesn't trade anyhow. They're having 100% win rate, and but this is what they market, this is what they show, and this is based on their settings. I had the opportunity to run my backtest on this expert advisor on gold on the 5-minute time frame, and that was from April 2025 to April 2026 on a $10,000 USD account. And I did it on the every tick modeling. We have a 99% quality. We have a 90% quality actually. We have 5% auto risk, and that is our input. The equity curve is genuinely nice. Yeah, we have steady upward climb with only shallow pullbacks, no wild spikes, and we ended this backtest with over 22,600 in profits. Profit factor 3.25. We have max drawdown around 16 to 17%. Whoa, that is something. The max drawdown is 16 to 17%, so you should be aware of this. And solid win rate between 75 to 90%, as opposed to the 100% win rate which we see on the live signal and also on their backtest. And this is all that my backtest shows me over the space of 1 year. 87% win rate, and there's only 65 trades in a full year though, so which tells you that this expert advisor is very, very selective for it to be having such high win rates. And compared to the developers claim, the backtest lines up pretty well with that smooth growth they show, and the live signal is still very young. So with just 5 perfect trades, it's too early to call it bulletproof, yeah, as compared to my backtest, which is over a year. And features that actually matter from the inputs are the news filter, which is very big for gold, and we also have the max spread, we have the take profit, and also the stop losses, which you can all set. You can set all of this, and we also have the 2.2 lot multiplier for recovery, and all of these are what I used in my inputs for my backtest, and these are the default settings of this expert advisor. Honestly, the thing is, gold is volatile. Gold loves strong trending moves, and it can see through drawdowns on the wide stop. In practice, that recovery multiplier helps dig out of losers but ramps exposure. If you get a couple in a row, live results will usually be a bit worse than backtest because of slippage on XAU, and curve fitting risk exists since it clearly performs best in the recent gold environment. You know how it is with the market. The win of yesterday is not guaranteed for tomorrow, and my verdict for it is that it's a decent directional trend follower for gold with good controls, yeah, but expect 15 to 25% drawdowns in real trading, especially around news or choppy periods. It works best for patient traders who can let it run without babysitting it, and I'll say it's for prop firm traders or gold specialists with at least a few $100 who understand volatility and have a raw spread broker or account. Who should avoid it? I'll say beginners or people who want tons of trades every week and so much activity, or anyone who panics at 15% plus drawdowns. Yeah, and it's kind of honest breakdown, and I'll say if this breakdown has helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next one, and drop in the comments below which EA you want me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description. It's actually useful and it's worth it. So trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next review. Safe trading.